How to start using LocaSUN property location intelligence analysis software. It's really simple. First, in the left tab, select Geo Report. Then in the right address input field, enter the location of the property you are looking for. Click Confirm. The map will automatically jump to the location. Then on the left side you can see a variety of data topics including soil and geology, flooding and weather, and school district, and crime incidents, and high voltage grid and underground cables, bush fires and their risks, the land value information, traffic information, noise information and information on property rights and land divisions. Next episode, we will introduce how to use rich data layers.